First up, Justin, you have a report for us about a big decision that the mayor and the police department made, right?
That's right. On May 21st, Mayor Joseph A. Curtatone took a step that has been applauded by some, but criticized by others. On May 21st, Mayor Curtatone announced his plan to sign an executive order to end Somerville's participation in secure communities. Secure Communities is a program of the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency in conjunction with local law enforcement in order to check the legal status of people picked up by police. Patricia Montez is the executive director of Centro Presente, an organization that supports the Latin American immigrant community.
And the message is that the city of Somerville cares about democracy, about freedom, that the city of Somerville respects basic human rights of all people, including undocumented people.
All of you are an integral part of this community, and we would be poorer, not richer in this community, if we allowed families to continue to be broken apart.
El vivir y trabajar en los Estados Unidos de manera indocumentada no es un crimen. El estar en este país de manera indocumentada es una falta de carácter administrativo. Definitivamente tenemos que luchar de manera colectiva para que se dé una reforma migratoria justa, que respete los derechos humanos básicos de las comunidades inmigrantes, especialmente las indocumentadas. Y el día de hoy estoy muy feliz.
We have made it our mission in the city to protect our residents and not to persecute them.
This executive order states that undocumented people are entitled to the same rights and liberties as all Americans, something the Supreme Court has consistently supported. As states like Arizona move to persecute the victims of our failing immigration policy, I think it's important for cities like Somerville to stand up and say that we too are not satisfied with the national immigration policy, albeit
The mayor's decision has caused controversy. Some, like commenters on local blogs, on Speak Out, or in this letter to the Boston Herald, disagree.
I think it's a very bold move. I think that it's by no means an easy move. He's already gotten a lot of political heat for it. I'm sure you've all seen the cover of the Herald, which I consider to be a badge of honor, so I hope you frame that and put it on the wall.
The order leaves responsibility in the hands of the police, something Interim Chief Charlie Femino supports.
Although the decision is controversial to go forward with this enactment, it takes leadership to do so, and I believe in the mayor with that leadership in doing so, and it makes a major statement. We also, the police, need the information from the community to help solve crimes at times. And it's at these times when an undocumented immigrant may come forward with information that we need. We're trying to break down that barrier. I think that we're doing that in this enactment, and I think it will be positive for the future for all law enforcement. Thank you.
We don't want to be afraid of the police. We want to work with the police, right? In order to build a more beautiful society, a better Somerville for all of us.
Rather than waiting for the state legislature to pass the Trust Act, Mayor Curtatone is telling his police department to use their discretion when it comes to public safety. For Somerville Neighborhood News, I'm Justin Page.
Thanks for that. So, is Somerville out on a limb with this move?
Well, not really, Colby. The mayor and police department are part of what some are calling a rebellion against the Secure Communities program. The states of California and Connecticut, and a number of cities like Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and San Francisco have all opted out or at least left it up to local police to use their discretion.